What's up, you guys? So I'm back with another video, and so for today's video we are going to be unboxing the Juvias Place products. So I purchased some of their products on Black Friday, and I know you're probably like, every time you do a video you always say you purchased on Black Friday. Duh, that's because they had the sales. I mean, I'm trying to save my coins, okay? I'm trying to save it up. So if you have a problem with it, then, but yeah, like, I mean, why not purchase on Black Friday? That's when most businesses have their big sales. So yeah. So anyways, I'm just gonna show you all the box. This is the box, as you can see. All right, so from the Juvias Place, I purchased 4 of their eyeshadow palettes. So we're just gonna go over them. So the first eyeshadow palette that I have is called the Nubian by Juvias, and it looks like this. And their packaging is, ooh, this is just bomb. It's so bomb. So this is their palette, and this is the Nubian. And as you can see, this palette has a lot of nude, natural, transitional shades. It also has some shimmer shades as well. You have a lot of browns, a lot of light tans, and y'all, I live for a neutral palette. Like, that's what I live for. Like, I mean, there's nothing wrong with color, but natural, that's the way to go, okay? And then the second palette that I have is a Warrior by Juvias, and it looks like this. And this is actually my favorite palette of theirs because it's neutral and natural as well. And you also get some of your shimmer shades up here and down here. Y'all, this color right here is, woo, this color is so pretty. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So basically I purchased 2 natural palettes, and then I purchased 2 colorful palettes so I can have like the best of both worlds. So the next palette that I purchased is called the Masquerade Mini by Juvias. Y'all, I'm goofy, don't mind me. But yeah, this is the Masquerade Mini. This is what it looks like. And this palette has a lot of different colors in it. This is another pretty palette. So yeah, that's the third palette. And then the fourth palette that I purchased, Magic Mini by Juvias. And this is what it looks like. And this shade is more, this palette is more toned down than the Masquerade palette. I mean, you still have your, you know, different shades, but it's more softer than the Masquerade. The Masquerade is more like a, I'm here, I mean. So those are the palettes that I purchased from Juvias Place. If you guys want to see more, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my video.